Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time.
And I'm back. Sassy here in the house. Everybody come in, please sit down. You could just usher them back in. Yes, Edward. Yes. I just ask them to come in and take a seat, please. My show's already starting. It's recording already. I don't know. He just started today. He's like interning, I guess, or what they call it. So anyway, Edward, you're doing a good job. And when I give you the cue, you hand around the offering plate. It's the basket. So they put money in it. And be careful with William. She likes to put questions in it, but that's okay. So make sure it's got a pad and paper with, pencil. Anyhow, all right, let's go. So the lady said I can go ahead and open up her, what do they call these, extras and stuff like that, where they add them on into the cart. She bought some stuff after sale. After sale, on sale, the Macy's sale. What, I don't know, just a sale. It's stuff she gets for cheap. So remember, we really liked this. I was in her head at the time, I think. I don't know. I don't remember if this was my video. Anyway, it doesn't matter. But you guys remember this by item? What's her name? Addison Rae? Oh, yes. We still do not know who the hell she is. Anyway, this was by item. It is her brand, or she supports it. I don't know. And do you guys remember? Yes. Oh, we should keep this right here to get rid of our shine. It's in between videos. I'm just going to set it right there. So we do like that. There's a couple of items from item in here. Empty pouch. And by the way, for those of you that are new, that just showed up for the show, my name is Sassy and I do everything, but I am the queen of skincare. I do have a certificate as a gynecologist. So I know you can ask me any question about skin and I can find it on the Google. Yes, I can. You dumbass, shut the hell up. Nobody asked you. Look at what you've done to the bed. When was the last time you washed the sheets? Just always sitting with lazy ass watching TV. You need to wash those sheets. They're starting to stink. So are you. Anyway, we got a couple items from item. Or she did. I think these are concealers, Air Hug concealers. And it looks like they're in two different shades. One is in 100 and the other is in 200. Why the hell would she do that? Oh, I know why. She's teaching me about this. I'm taking makeup classes. Look, she's not, I am. Depends on what she's trying to hide and what she's trying to even out. I do remember that chapter. Yes, I do. It was in the beginning chapters, and it's about concealing. It's a very nice class. You should go and take notes for me, because I don't like to take notes. Me and Greg are always giggling. It's just kind of like, we're always touching each other's hands. He's always got the remote control to the tickler. Back to the program. Anyhow, this is a concealer and we got it in two different colors. But seriously, it's a lot of fun. You should go to class with us. Like this one's very light. See how light it is? Now watch when I put it next to this one. This one is very different. This is the 200. I think the higher the number, the darker it gets. I think that's how they do it. We'll cover that in the other class. I will, when I learn it in my other class. See, this is more like what she's used to, and this is when she wants to brighten under the eyes, she'll use this one. And then when she's just trying to, tame the color down, she'll use this one. See, like maybe on the lids, and then this will bring down, I was paying attention. Who was saying I wasn't? William? Just, god dang it. Why does she always come? You know, if you're going to cause a ruckus, just don't come to my shows anymore. Send your money, leave your money, and then just go home. Because I want the money. It's better than what the lady's paying me. Why do you think we started putting an offering basket out to everybody? It's the offering basket, like they do at church. That's right, huh? Church up in here. Anyhow, just a moment. I gotta adjust my Greg face. It's a damn good thing she put contacts in our eyes today. Sorry about that, but there's this weird thing that happens, okay? And I know she doesn't like it either. Right on the corner, these eyelashes always, no matter what, get stuck on the skin. They leave mascara and then they pop off. It's weird. They get stuck on the skin and then for like a minute or two, they leave the mascara and then the eyelash just lifts itself off and leaves mascara. So we always have to check it. Anyway, she got the Zoe bracelet set. We got to get going on this. We can't have a long video. She got a Zoe bracelet set. But I'm going to show you because she's wearing it. Well, she put it on us. Hang on, let me fix it. It is a set of 3. And it is gold plated. Look at, that's the little clasp. Can you see that? Has the little claw. These are like little pearls. It is stretchy, so there's like a elastic band inside. This one has like the little faux diamonds, you know, the cubic zirconias. Greg, you do not get me a cubic zirconia. Just cheap ass. This one, see? And then this one is like the chain. See the links? It's pretty, right? They would go nice with those necklaces she got. But isn't this gorgeous? It's pretty. It goes with our ensemble. I like it. Look at us. Now you guys are always going to be looking for it, right? I know they will, just because I mentioned it. Anyhow, there was only a couple items. It was the Zoe bracelet set. This is them right here. And they're not very big. So if you have like a larger wrist, we have very tiny, tiny wrists. It's like, I mean, children compared to her wrist. They're just like tiny. These are little. You can wrap your fingers all the way around. And I do not have long fingers, so that just tells you, look at this. They're tiny. It's like her ankles. Anyway, but even if you have a little larger, fluffier wrist, you know, it's okay because they stretch. See? It's got elastic. Eventually it's going to break. It wasn't that much. It was $6, $12. I don't know. We'll have to look it up and she will stick it where, I don't know. Oh, that's right. She stick it right down there in the bottom. Okay, there's the 3 items that she got. Give me some more shit to open. Oh, I have to say goodbye first. Okay, so anyway, I hope you liked the video. Guess what I have right here in front of me? That's right. Stick around and wait for this video to come. I don't know when she's going to air it, but as soon as I open it up, and then everything else happens, and then, you know, she edits and does all kinds of stuff, and she posts it. You guys want to be watching when I open this, because I don't even know what I got. Okay, so here's one thing. I will say this, I'm pretty pissed off. We did not get to choose anything in the IPSY Glam Bag X from that Addison Rae lady. No. I tried calling her at home. She didn't answer. She wouldn't take my calls. Her maid. Or I don't know, maybe it was her mother. And who doesn't matter, her roommate, who cares? She kept saying she was busy and not taking calls from pissed off patrons. But you know, I was very upset. I was like, listen, Addison, or whoever you are, it's not Sunshine. She's no ray of sunshine. No, because she didn't let me pick what I wanted in my box. The lady didn't get to pick either, so we're pretty pissed. Now we get to see what IPSY gave us. And I'll show you in the next video. Okay, so peace. Bye. All right, I'm done. This is the one that's gonna really piss me off because I have no idea what the hell is in it. I don't remember ever getting a pink or a red or green, or is this what color it always is? Why do I keep forgetting the clicker? See you later, bye.
Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh,